In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an opening balance in Zoho Books. Setting up your Zoho Books environment with the correct opening balances is essential to getting an accurate reflection of your financial health from the get-go. This process is straightforward, but let's take it step by step to ensure that we're doing everything correctly. To start, log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your dashboard. There you'll find the Settings gear icon. Click on it, and you'll see it opens up a variety of options to customize and manage your account settings. Locate the Organization column in this menu. Here, you'll need to select the Opening Balances option. It's this section where you'll enter the financial data that sets up your company's starting point within Zoho Books. After navigating to the Opening Balances section, it's time to set the date and input your balances. Begin by entering the opening balance date. This is typically the date from which you are beginning to use Zoho Books, such as the first day of your new fiscal year. Once you have the date set, you can move on to entering the balances for all your accounts. For your accounts payable and receivable, you can input overall balances directly in the main form. If you want accuracy and detail here, entering individual balances for each customer and vendor is crucial. To do this, you'll need to navigate to your customer or vendor list, select the contact you wish to update, and click on View Opening Balance to enter the specific amount for each. Now, turning to your bank accounts, it's important to record the balance for each account you're tracking within Zoho Books. This ensures that your cash position is accurately reflected. For any other accounts like liabilities, equity, income, and expenses, enter the respective debit or credit balances as needed. This covers a comprehensive view of your business's finances from day one of your established system. With all of your balances entered, it's now time to review and confirm everything. Proceed by clicking Continue. This will bring you to a summary screen that provides a snapshot of the information you've entered. This is your opportunity to check for any discrepancies. If any differences are present, Zoho Books will automatically move these to an opening balance adjustment account. It's a handy feature that allows you to manage errors without derailing your setup. Finally, after verifying everything is accurate, click Confirm to finalize your opening balances. This formalizes your entries and allows you to move forward confidently with your financial data in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for a solid and accurate financial tracking system within Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and remember, a strong start with accurate data is key to managing your business finances effectively.